2024 Subaru BRZ STI Sport launched in Japan, mirroring the US-exclusive BRZ TS. The Subaru BRZ gets mild updates for 2024, including more safety kit for the manual and new STI Sport trim. Subaru announces 2024 MY lineup of BRZ in Japan. Highlights include the expansion of the Eyesight ADAS package on manual models and the new STI Sport trim. The latter focuses on sharper driving dynamics with STI-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes, just like the North American 2024 Subaru BRZ TS. The STI Sport doesn't have a flashy body kit, but has simpler cherry red STI badges on the grille, trunk lid, and full LED headlight clusters. The shark fin antenna and mirror caps are coated in crystal black silica to match the dark metallic color of the 18-inch aluminum wheels shod with 215/40 R18 performance tires. Moving inside, we see more STI badging, ultra-suede/genuine leather upholstery in a black/maroon color combination with red stitching, and a few dark metallic accents. Those looking for something more aggressive in terms of styling can opt for the optional STI Sport parts, which include a carbon fiber rear spoiler and a more prominent splitter, among other bits for the exterior and interior. The JDM spec BRZ STI Sport benefits from the same chassis upgrades found on the US spec BRZ TS. Brembo's more powerful braking system features 17-inch ventilated discs and gold-plated brake calipers, while the sharper STI-tuned suspension consists of Hitachi Astemo SFRD front shock absorbers and revised rear shock absorbers. The entire 2024 Subaru BRZ lineup benefits from a finely tuned vehicle dynamics control system. All manual BRZ models come standard with the Subaru Eyesight ADAS package, which was previously limited to automatic transmission models. Finally, the BRZ R trim comes with a different set of 17-inch tires. Sponsored links. Are you looking for a new professional direction? IU has a wide variety of online bachelor's degrees for you. International University of Applied Sciences. Subaru has made no changes to the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter boxer engine, which produces the same 232 horsepower, 173 kilowatts/235 PS, and 250 Newton meters, 184.4 lb-ft, in Japanese specification. Power is transferred to the rear axle via a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. The JDM spec 2024 Subaru BRZ will premiere at Fuji Speedway on September 24. The model is currently available to order in Japan starting from 3,300,000 yen, $22,258. Notably, the bare-bones cup trim that comes with Steelies isn't listed on the Subaru website, with options currently limited to the R, S, and STI Sport grades. The STI Sport is the most expensive, priced at 3,762,000 yen, $25,370, for the manual and 3,817,000 yen, $25,745, for the automatic.